still don't have a depth sounder working. Can't afford to get this one wrong, so.
I'm Grant, and this is Sarah. We're adventurers and Christ followers. We're exploring the ancient pathways of faith as we navigate the waters of Aotearoa, New Zealand. In our postmodern society, people face anxiety, depression, and a myriad of other problems that stem from a culture that centres around self and consumerism. Sailors just have to face the ocean, poor weather, and equipment failure at the wrong time. Early tomorrow morning, we're starting our journey from the top of the North Island down to Te Waipounamu, the South Island, hopefully before the coldest winter months make sailing too dangerous. Our first leg is a simple day sail in good weather from Whangarei Harbour across to Aotea Great Barrier Island. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, it's a big pod.
Where?
Oh, we're just all in front of us. Hello. Hey, beautiful. Hours into an 8-hour trip across to Great Barrier. We're just approaching Little Barrier Island at the moment, and the sea stays just pretty sloppy. So we've got the wind right behind us and a swell kind of on our beam coming from the northeast. So yeah, it's just a wee bit of a grind. So we've got the engine going still, just because we're just not going that quick and getting thrown around a little bit. So yeah. Ancient pathways aren't always the easy pathways. We're about 7 miles from entering Port Abercrombie at Great Barrier Island. We're doing about 6 knots, still a bang on tail wind. It's going okay. It's a good time.
So far, so good. But there's plenty of ocean between us and our destination. This ancient pathway is about to get a whole lot harder.
I'll reset it at some point.
It looks like one of my modern toys has failed me.
And we'll just turn them off and turn them back on again. So a bit of a nightmare. When I was dropping the mainsail, I must have bumped something on the depth sounder and it's gone into a configuration menu. I actually can't get it out. So we're going to have to go into Port Abercrombie and then round into Nagle Cove, a little bit blind in terms of depth. The chart looks okay, and we're just going to nudge into about the 7 metre mark and drop anchor there. Then we'll just figure things out. Terrible timing. If we had another couple of hours when I did it, it'd be easy to figure it out, but we're just starting to enter the channel now, so them's the brakes, I guess.
With the depth sounder out of action, we need something we can rely on to guide us into a safe spot to anchor for the night, and we need it fast.
We still don't have a depth sounder working, so we're going to go into the 7 metre mark on the chart and just drop there and then figure out the depth sounder. Can't afford to get this one wrong, so I'm going to go on slow and careful.
Yeah, I think that this must be the 7 and this must be the
Okay, yep, cool, alright.
6.
Keep the boat off the bottom of the anchor, which is good. Let's just set the anchor and see how we sit. I reckon that's stopping now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a wee more eventful than I thought it would be.
Sorry, that wasn't nice.
Arrived here at Great Barrier. Had to come in without any form of depth soundings, which is a bit scary. Got in though, okay. I guess it's just a lesson that things do go wrong and it's always important to have a plan B.
On board Ishmay, in lieu of a depth sounder, we've fallen back on knowing our current position and having charts to guide us into safe harbour with marked depths. In life, interpreted well, Scripture does the same thing. It shines a light on where we are at and guides us towards safe harbour, especially when our modern ways of knowing inevitably let us down.